Hello, hello, Taurus Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong special reading for today. Meron tayong pera and career reading. So ano ang mga kaganapan sa inyong frequency of money and career? Pag-usapan natin yan dito. So Taurus, tulad ng kagawian ay kunin nyo lang po yung mga resonate kayo ha, and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Taurus yun. So, kaya relax ka lang, use your intuition, and para makuha nyo po yung akmang messages ng kaloob sa inyo ng spirit kahit sa ating reading for today. So Taurus, thank you again for all of your donations and for not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at pagmamahal sa ating channel. Thank you again for not skipping the ads. Yan po isa sa mga ways para patuloy na lumago ang ating channel. Thank you po. So Taurus, ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayong oras na ito para sa inyong pera and career? Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Ace of Cups. Wow, beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Knight of Pentacles. In the area of what you need, you have the Seven of Swords. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, meron kang the Chariot card. Beautiful. In the area of your near future, meron kang the Tower card. Wow. In the area of your challenge, meron kang Eight of Wands. In the area of your fortune, meron kang, wow, Eight of Cups. Magkadikit pa sila. 8 is abundance. Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang 8. Wow, 8 abundant talaga to. You have the 8 of Swords naman. You're abundant this time, Taurus. Congratulations. And your outcome in this time for your money and career, meron kang the Star card. Wow, a wish coming true. Congratulations. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Hanged Man. Ano daw yung mga bagay this time, Taurus, sa parang dinedelay mo? I'm hearing may mga delays because ikaw din ang may dahilan. I don't know why. Baka meron kang pinagpapaliban. Meron ka bang parang, mamaya na yan. Ayoko muna hawakan yan. Ayoko munang gawin kasi mabusisi masyado o mahirap gawin o ayaw mong pumunta doon. I'm seeing there are delays in your life na para ma-realize mo, ako lang pala yung may dahilan ko bakit ako na-delay this time. Ko bakit parang hindi umaandar. So now is the right time for you to get out, get up, maligo ka na, mag-ayos ka, ayusin mo yung mga papeles mo. If you need to walk and commute para lang sa trabaho na ito, gawin mo na. Ang ngayon ang panahon para maging masigasig ka, maging maparaan ka, at magkaroon ka ng enough motivation to fight for the things that you want. Hindi lalapit ang kaching-kaching kapag ikaw ay tutulog-tulog o kaya ikaw ay nanghihinaan ng loob. Ngayon, isipin mo yung mga bagay on a different perspective. Isipin mo, para sa future ko to, para sa next 5 years, next 10 years. Ngayon ang panahon para ikaw umaksyon at maging masigasig. Okay? Kahit napapagod, kahit nakakahiya, kahit ang dami ka kompetensya, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob, ilaban mo yan. Okay, Taurus? So, at the center of your reading, you have the Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is something new. May darating sa buhay mo this time around na magiging masaya ka. Kaya umalis ka na dyan sa mindset na parang dinedelay mo. Tumayo ka because may darating sa iyong bagong simula. Probably a new job, a new opportunity, a new career. I'm seeing you getting something this time. Talagang magkatatalon ka sa tuwa. This is something na matagal mo lang hinihintay. Pwedeng tawag for a certain job or a certain endeavor na ayan na yung kapital. Meron ka ng panimula para makapagsimula ka ng bagong mong negosyo. May magbabayad sa iyo ng utang this time, and yun magagamitin mo para makapagsimula ka ng something new. So I'm seeing something will come to you this time. Pera ito or opportunity, leveling up. Magkakaroon ka na ng minimithi mo. Baka yung job offer na konti lang yung slots na hinihintay at pinupunuan, ikaw na yung makakuha niyan. So this time around, be excited because something new about your money and career will come this time in your life. Congratulations. Ace of Cups being clarified by the Page of Swords. Page of Swords all about information. Chat, text, call, email. Abangan mo yan mga yan because dyan manggagaling yung good information na darating sa life mo. Parang, oy Taurus, tanggap ka na. Oy Taurus, ito na yung pera, pambayad sa'yo, makapagsimula ka na ng ganyan. So, this information is good news coming in. Telling you na something will be delighted para sa iyong pera and career. I don't know why, pero parang talaga tungkol sa job application mo ito. O meron kang hinihintay na kaperahan from someone. Ayan na yung confirmation. Makatanggap mo na siya. Congratulations. In the area of what you want, you have the Knight of Pentacles. You want to take action on something. Ngayon parang ingat na ingat ka, pero nasa isip at puso mo na parang kailangan ko itong gawin. Pero teka, baka hindi pa tama. Teka, baka mali yung paraan ko, baka mali yung approach ko, baka meron pa ako nakakaligtaan, baka yung plano ko hilaw pa, ganyan. So ikaw ngayon urong-sulong ka. Pero sa puso't isip nandun na yung initiative at saka yung kagustuhan na lumaban at gawin ito. Parang gusto mo na mag-step forward pero nag-aalangan ka. So now is the right time for you to really laksan mo ang loob mo, gawin mo na, actionan mo na. You can also learn things as you go. Minsan yung mga bagay na inisip natin, akala natin, kailangan ready muna ako, kailangan alam ko muna lahat bago ako sumubok. Pero sinasabi ng spirit guides mo na action mo na lang ang kailangan, enough of too much preparing, you're good to go, action na agad, okay? The Knight of Pentacles being clarified by the Six of Pentacles. This time around, nakita ko dito na parang yung same energy na binibigay mo o same effort, parang umaasa ka na may bababalik sa'yo. Parang I don't know why umaasa ka ba na may magbabayad o may magpapautang, because Six of Pentacles all about reciprocation. Parang noon may pinautang ka ba, so this time around inaasahan mo may babalik sa yung pera? Meron ka bang inaasahan na money na darating sa iyo this time around? O kaya benefits or loan? Meron ka bang pinag-loanan this time na parang gusto mo makuha and then yun nagagamitin mo para makapagplano ka ahead? Ano? Yan yung mga bagay na sa isip mo this time. For others, in the area of what you need, Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords all about strategy. Lakas ng loob na ikaw mismo mag-initiate ng kilos. Parang narinig ko, huwag ka daw munang umasa sa iba. Kasi yung inaasahan mo parang 50-50 eh. Parang hindi ka sure kung ibibigay sa'yo o may mapapala ka sa tao na yon o sa endeavor na yon. Kaya parang ikaw ngayon ang kailangan dumiskarte at huwag ka nang umasa doon sa taong inaasahan mo. Because parang hindi pa tayo sure kung merong magaganap dyan. So now is the right time for you to take your stand and find your own ways and create your own plans talaga this time. Ikaw ngayon ang maghahanap ng diskarte at approach, okay? The Seven of Swords being clarified by the Wheel of Fortune, yes. Para umikot ang fortune, para umikot ang swerte, para sa iyo mapunta yung pabor ng kapalaran, kailangan ikaw ang kumilos, ikaw ang maghanap ng diskarte. Because parang, alam niyo yung nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa, kailangan mong gumawa this time. And kailangan mo i-prove kay universe, kay God na parang, okay, I'm active player sa life ko, I'm doing all my best, I'm exerting all of my effort para magawa ito. Kailangan talaga may pag-action sa atin eh. Hindi ka lalapit sa iyo ang trabaho o ang swerte o ang pera kapag naghihintay tayo ng right time. Now is the right time, kaya actionan mo na, okay? Especially here with the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is like a clock. Taking clock at it. Clock, 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 clock. Talagang umaandar yan. Pero nasa sa'yo yung kalakasan para pabilisin ang andar niyan para umangat ka sa taas, okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Chariot card. Chariot card is all about you pushing to things. Parang kaya darating itong opportunity na to, tong bagay na ito darating sa life mo because meron ka naging desisyon. Meron kang iiwan. I don't know why, kung anong iiwanan mo, probably past job or past opportunity. Meron ka na parang nakapag-decide ka na, okay, time na for me to move on, time na to me to lumipat sa ibang trabaho, magpasa ka na ng resume, magtanong-tanong ka na doon sa HR nun kung ano ang benefits, ano ang job offer, pasok ka ba doon, anong credentials mo, ganyan. So now, meron kang kalakasan, meron kang effort from your part na parang, okay, siguro this time around, gawin ko na. Kaya siguro may papasok talaga ng magandang opportunity sa'yo because na-attract mo yung frequency of the positive things and also yung swerte. Na-attract mo yan because may pagkilos from you. I'm hearing huwag ka daw matakot, ilaban mo yung gusto mong gawin. Kung kailangan mong umalis, because yung aalisan mo parang inisip mo, tama ba to? Tama ba itong gagawin ko? Am I doing the right thing? Ako lang mag-isa tong aalis na to. Iiwanan ko sila sa past, iiwanan ko sila sa certain lugar. Ako lang mag-isa gagawa nito. Pagkatiwalaan mo daw sa sarili mo because you are protected by your spirit guides. Meron ka ditong constellations above your chariot car. At pinapakita dito na whatever your decision is, you're on the right path and you are guided and protected. Okay? The chariot cards being clarified by the Fool card, yes, starting over talaga to, taking risk, like I've said kanina. Parang this time around, nag-take risk ka to do something new. So ikaw, laksan mo daw ang loob mo because this brand new thing, especially with the Ace of Cups, will give you the stability and financial flow sa buhay mo. So congratulations. In the area of your future, meron kang the Tower card, changes is required. Changes when it comes to your thinking. Baka mamaya, pag dumating na yung swerte o financial flow, ayan, hayahay na si Taurus. Hindi na niya pag-iisipan mabuti kung saan niya ilalagak yung pera niya para siya makapag-ipon, para kapuro gastos, ganyan. So, God is telling you, kapag hindi mo daw inalagaan ng pera mo, things will change. Baka bumalik ka na naman sa dating buhay, ganyan. So, make sure na kapag dumating si blessings, kapag narating na yung brand new start, ay alagaan, yakapin ang changes. Don't force things. Let it go, let it flow. and huwag mo ko-questionin daw yung mga bagay na nangyayari pagbabago. Especially here, pagpasok itong money flow na ito, everything in your life will change. Yung mga dating paraan kung paano mo ginagawa ang usaping pera mo o career, hindi na siya uubra this time. So make sure you are also alert and aware na yung mga dating gawi hindi na uubra this time. Okay? The tower is being clarified by the Nine of Wands. Yes, I'm hearing that you are also tired and overworked. Feeling ko na parang pagod na pagod ka na sa pagbabago ng buhay, sa angat, baba, angat, baba, angat, baba. And I'm hearing na meron daw challenge that will come to you that will require you to really push through. Parang susubukin ka in a sense sa kay deserve ba ni Taurus to? Para kay Taurus ba talaga to? Paano patutunayan ni Taurus na kanya-kanya talaga tong opportunity nito? Pwedeng challenges sa trabaho, baka meron mga people in your job na susubukin ng iyong galing, meron mga taong nega o toxic in your workplace or sa inyong pamilya din. And ikaw na require ka na parang i-push pa, ilaban ang iyong paniniwala, ilaban ang iyong galing, huwag kang back down, huwag kang panghihina ng loob, laban pa rin, push, 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 okay? Especially if people are questioning you, people are doubting you, or people are really out there being toxic too much para sa iyo, no? So ikaw, kailangan ilaban mo yung paniniwala mo, yung goal mo, and don't stop, okay? In the area of your challenge this time, Taurus, you have the Eight of Wands. Ace of Wands, like you questioning yourself. Questioning this time, paano ba to? Paano ko to gagawin, God? Ibigay mo na, ibigay mo sa akin yung para sa akin. And then bigyan mo darating na good news. This good news is like, kakatalong ka sa tuwa. This cash flow that you're dreaming about noon-noon pa. And then parang ikaw kina-question mo, God, akin ba talaga to? Hindi ba to mawawala? Hindi ba to mawawaglit? Am I on the right path? Yes, you're on the right path, especially here with the Eight of Wands. Siya nagsasabi sa iyo, huy, nasa tamang landas ka. Para sa iyo talaga to. Kaya mag-focus ka. Huwag ka ma-overwhelm sa good news. Huwag ka ma-overwhelm sa magagandang balita. Huwag ka ma-overwhelm sa mga bago, especially here with the Fool. You're traveling into something new in your life, entering a new portal in your life. At sobrang overwhelming yan kasi ang daming bago, ang daming mga bago nakikita. Hindi ikaw parang, paano to? So, na-overwhelm ka sa new things. So, make sure that you are focused still sa gusto mo. Kaya huwag ka mapubibiglat, huwag ka madidistract, okay? Always focus on your goal. The Eight of Wands being clarified by the Six of Cups. Yes, especially in your past. Huwag ka na daw tumingin, huwag ka na daw lumingon sa nakaraan mo. Kung ano yung mga past na nangyari, especially in the past job o past kaperahan, huwag mo na daw intindihin yung mga nangyari na yon. I'm hearing forgive people na nagkamali sa iyo when it comes to money matters, especially career matters, sa mga workplace mo, workmates. Kung meron mang nakaaway ka doon o hindi mo nakaunawaan time na to para magkaroon ka na reconciliation sa kanila o kahit sa sarili mo lang na parang okay, I forgive them na, move on na ako and focus na lang ako sa mga bagay na importante. Yan ang challenge sa'yo this week, is to let go of the past and focus on your now, okay? In the area of your fortune, you have the Eight of Cups. I'm seeing you talaga moving on, moving away from something in the past. Especially here, may papasok kang bagong work o bagong opportunity and aalis ka na from something else and brand new start. And I'm seeing you this leaving. Ito pag-alis mo will give you the fortune that you need. Aalis ka na dun sa parang moment of delay. Now is the right time for you to really gugulong na ang iyong fortune, especially kapag talagang umalis ka na sa dating trabaho o dating mindset o dating paraan mo kung paano mo hinahawakan ng pera. Kapag yan, inalisan mo na yung nakaraan o old ways, darating ang swerte for you, okay? The Eight of Cups being clarified by the Ten of Wands. Yes, yung burden mo na nakaraan, anything, talagang pasan mo, I'm hearing, you're gonna leave this now. Parang dati, pagod na pagod sa trabaho, ikaw lang gumagawa, ibang mga workmates, sa'yo binibigay sa pasan mo, o kaya sa family, ikaw lang yung parang main source of money. Ngayon, parang feeling mo hirap ka na, ikaw lang ang kumakayod. Parang this time around, you're gonna leave an opportunity, you're gonna leave a place, and then mag-start over ka para makawala na doon sa mga burdens in your life. Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang Eight of Swords. 888 is abundant card. So, yakapin mo yung abundance in your life this time, Taurus. Eight of Swords, all about you telling na huwag ka pang hinaan. Kaya mo. Makakaalis ka dito. Makakaalis ka sa problema na ito. Yakapin mo yung pagbabago. Yakapin mo yung new opportunity na bibigay sa iyo ni Ace of Cups. Huwag mo pagdudahan ng kakayanan mo. Huwag ka mo-overwhelm. You can do this. Bago ito, siguro na-promote ka o kung nalipat ka sa ibang department, new job, new opportunity, ganyan, and then you're questioning, kaya ko ba? Ngayon, kailangan mo mag-adjust, mabilis, Taurus. Be alert, and ilabas mo lahat ng effort mo, ilabas mo lahat ng kakayanan mo. Kailangan magtiwala ka sa sarili mo kasi yung mga tao sa paligid mo, hindi sila magtitiwala kung ikaw mismo hindi ka nagtitiwala sa sarili mo. So, do everything that you can. Trust yourself, okay? Eight of Swords being clarified by the Strength card. Yes, katatagan din because you're now in a transition. Old life, leaving something and embracing something new, something important and taking a risk in a brand new way. So, kailangan talaga maging matatag ka, maging resilient ka, maging consistent ka din sa pagbabago. Daanan mo lang tong transition na to and you'll be okay. Okay? So, Taurus, ang outcome na napakaganda pag-usapan natin later. But first, let's have additional messages from the Divine. Una-una, you have duality. Do not forget about the dual nature of people. Don't lose your vigilance. Parang ikaw, you're enjoying things like I've said, tapos isip mo yung ibang tao sa paligid mo, hindi mo na napapansin. So make sure na nakafocus ka sa iba't ibang bagay. Ikaw dapat alert ka talaga, like I said here, alert ka, and then you are focusing on your goal and focusing on a lot of people because I'm seeing talaga na sobrang overwhelming yung mga good news sa bagong paparating sa life mo. So kailangan kilalanin mo sila isa-isa at makita mo yung totoo nilang pinapakita sa iyo at ano yung hindi, so that alam mo yung strategy mo moving forward. Okay, especially sa usaping pera, kapag may nakatingin sa iyo at pinapakita nila ganito sila kabait, ganito sila ka-approachable, also pakiramdaman mo totoo kaya sila sa akin, totoo kaya pinapakita nila para hindi ka ma-scam. Okay, isa pang message, you have limitations. Fear and doubt limit freedom of action. Ito yun. Let go of your worries, especially here with the Hanged Man. Minsan isipin mo to yung mga bagong ways na hindi ka limited. You can do anything possible for you. Kaya wag mong hayaan na limitahan ka ng iyong mga takot at pagdududa, okay? Another message, you have open your heart to joy. Be excited on new things. Huwag ka matakot sa bago-bago. Huwag ka matakot sa paparating. Okay? Another message, you have opening to your spiritual source, finding sanctuary. Kapag nahihirapan ka, kapag natatakot ka, always continue finding hope and trust to God that all the changes ay para sa'yo. Okay? Another message, itong area na kailangan pag-focusan this time. Discipline, I can accomplish what I set my mind to. Kailangan mo no disiplina this time para yung tinutumbok mo at yung focus mo at yung goal mo ay makuha mo talaga. In the area of your outcome, this time sa pera and career, you have the Star card. Continue having hope, especially here with the opening to your spiritual source, finding sanctuary, tiwala sa Diyos, tiwala sa sarili mo, tiwala sa path. Madugo, nahirap, especially you're entering something new, kailangan mo pagkatiwalaan ng sarili mo, especially here with the Eight of Swords. Wag na wag mong iiwanan ng sarili mo na nakabitin. Kaya mo yan. And always continue with a hope and a wish that your goals is attainable, your goals is doable, and your goal is yours. Okay, Taurus? The Star card is being clarified by the Seven of Cups. Yes, your hope and dreams for the future, yung mga visualize mo for the future, abot kamay yan. Nasa iyo lang talaga yung limitasyon at duda. Kaya tanggalin mo yun, putulin mo yun, at abutin mo ang mga pangarap mo, especially with a trust to yourself, trust God, and trust in a divine power. Wow, Taurus, that is your pera and career reading. Sa po kayo nakarate, sa po kayo nakaresonate, comment down below, and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching. This has been James for James Starter PH. God bless everybody.